Hello, General Math students. This is your assignment video for December 14th through 18th. First of all, I want you to notice that all of your assignments for this week are already on Schoology. They're posted there. So let's take a look at them. You're going to go down to fractions and go all the way down at the bottom. This is the last one in fractions, so this will be the furthest you'll have to go. I'm very sorry. So let's start at the top. We have the video I want you to watch before you come to class. That's what we are watching right now. Then I sent messages on Friday if you had any missing work. So if you got a message from me and have not finished your work, please make sure you finish any missing work. You have a quiz. I told you you had a quiz. So basically what you need to know is you need to know how to add, subtract, multiply, and divide fractions. That's what you're going to look at. So I have posted the fractions test, practice test, sorry. You're going to copy it into Notability, and you're going to do the practice test. I am going to post the answers on Wednesday. So the stuff in gray means it's unpublished, okay? So you guys can't see it, but it's there. So on Wednesday morning, I am going to post the answers to the practice test. You're going to check your own practice test, and you're going to message me with any questions that you have, because I am going to post the quiz Thursday morning, and it's due by Tuesday. So right below, whoops, let's go to the pen, not the highlighter. Thursday morning, I will post the fractions quiz. You're going to put it into Notability, and you're going to take it. Once you're done, you're going to submit it, and it is due by Tuesday, December 22nd. Everything is in Schoology. The only thing you would have to go back to Go Formative for is if you wanted, oops, I wanted the highlighter there, sorry, let's try that again. If you wanted to review the multiplication, addition, adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing, some of that is in Go Formative, so you'll have to take a look. The very last thing I wanted to mention is that you should message me with any questions, and in fact, that has to do with our question of the week. Here's our question of the week. If you have any questions, I want to know all the ways you can get help. So the question of the week, name all the ways you can get help for math class. I want you to list as many ways as you can think of. And when we have our scheduled Google Meet, we're going to talk about all the different ways that you can get help. Message me if you have questions. Otherwise, have a great week.